Hello guys, welcome back. I have a Samsung Galaxy A15 and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device to get rid of a screen lock. So as you can see, this device has a screen lock. I know the passcode, but assuming you don't and you're stuck on the screen, we're going to progress from here. First, you need to shut off the device, and as you probably already know, you can't do that without confirming the passcode. If I tap here, it will say draw pattern to turn off phone, so we need to forcibly shut off the device by holding the power key and volume down. The moment the screen goes black, switch to volume up while continuing to hold the power key. Right now it's on, so volume down and power, immediately switch to volume up, and it worked. As you saw, the moment the screen goes black, immediately slide your finger over to volume up instead of volume down while continuing to hold the power key. Now we're in recovery mode, so we can perform a reset by scrolling down to Wipe Data Factory Reset using the volume keys. Once selected, press the power key to confirm it, then select Yes to confirm once more. You'll see wiping data on the bottom, and the last thing should be data wipe complete. Once finished, you'll be back on the main page, and Reboot System Now should be selected by default. All you need to do is press the power key. The device will now reboot and continue the hard reset process in the background, so it will take a little longer than usual to turn on. Once it's back on, you will see that there's no more screen lock. Keep in mind that if you were logged into a Google account, you will need to confirm it after the reset, but assuming you only didn't know the passcode, there shouldn't be any problem. As you can see, the process is finished. I'll go through the setup quickly to show you there's no screen lock. I'll select English, tap OK, and continue. If you had a Google account, you won't be able to skip it like I did. You'll have to connect and confirm it later. As you can see, we're now on the home screen, and if I lock and unlock the device, you can see there's no more lock screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.